Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get gems in survivor.io fast. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get gems in survivor.io fast. So the fastest way to get gems in survivor.io is by constantly completing the game's high value activities rather than relying on a single method. So first of all, you can complete daily missions. So finish all daily tasks every day, claim the daily activity chest for extra gems. Progress through main chapters, so complete new stages to earn first time gem rewards. Push as far as you can whenever your gear improves. You can finish weekly missions. So weekly objectives provide much larger gem rewards than daily missions. Try to complete every mission before your weekly reset. Participate in events. So limited time events are often the biggest source of free gems. Complete event missions and exchange event currency for gem rewards when available. Watch reward ads. Claim achievements. You can log in every day, as I already told you. Complete trials and challenges. Use gift codes. So redeem official survivor.io gift codes whenever there's a new one released. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can do that, so you can check that out also. And that's going to be everything. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.